In this video, let's talk about how to connect the dots so you can get even more profitable data. We're gonna go into our analytics and go into admin. Now, what we want to really have access to, in fact, I'm just gonna show that to you first. If we go to acquisition, we go to Google Ads, we go to accounts, we can actually see pretty quickly all of our Google Ads traffic coming through, the different accounts, get information about our campaigns, and actually information from Google Ads coming through that's showing us all this information, the results of everything that's coming through and the amount we're getting and the behavior, the engagement metrics that are happening. We can see that with Google Ads. We can also see that with Search Console. So we can go to Search Console. We can see the landing page that are coming in from search. We can see the queries, the actual things that people are typing in search query results. So we can see all of that. So you've got all this great information that's coming through into your Google Analytics, but you only see that if you have connected these two tools to your Google Analytics. You have to allow that data to flow through. So the way you do that is you go to admin, you go to property settings, under your property column, go to property column, and then you're gonna come where it says all products, and you'll see a list of all the Google products here. Some of these other ones you might use as well. In this case, we have Google Ads already linked and connected, and then you've got Search Console linked and connected. If it is not connected, it will be showing under unlinked products. So if it's not linked up, it'll be showing under unlinked products, and you'll see a way to do that. There'll be an obvious call to action for you to be able to do that. And then once you have them connected and flowing through, then and only then will you have unlocked that incredibly profitable data. I would love to hear how you're actually applying this information that you're learning in this video. So do me a quick favor. Leave a comment below and let me know. I just love to hear how people are actually taking what they're learning and actually making application, improving their own businesses with this information. And of course, if you love topics around Google Analytics, be sure to like and subscribe to the CXL channel. It's an amazing place to get topics, not just around Google Analytics. You never know, you might actually see an occasional tag manager one coming through. It's gonna be amazing. Be sure you subscribe.